Back to back. Walang laman. Ready. Teka, anong gusto niyong makita? Why, grabe. So, I want everybody must count 1 up to 3 only, okay? Now, ready? Start now! Yes! Ano ito? Correct! White rabbit! O, di ba? White rabbit! Okay. Now this time, serious side, serious, okay? Now kid, what is this? Anong big? What is this? Balloon. Now kid, please stop this. Don't try this at home, okay? Because this is now a very dangerous. Only magician can do this. Are you ready? Watch. Okay? Now inside, for your eyes only. Ready? Watch. Now, are you ready? Yeah. Susunod. Ako na open, ha? Yeah. Thank you. Now, this time, okay, kids, so, we have a two door. Okay? Now, 1 and 2. Now kids, may laman o wala? Wala. Okay, para sure tayo, back to back. Ayan na, walang laman. Okay? Now, what is this? Yes, music video. Okay, now listen, kid, listen. So that's what we call the amazing pizza disappearing. Okay, kids, ha? Disappearing. Now, pasok natin dito. Okay, slowly tayo, ha? Slowly. Okay, I give you a clue. Viva magician, Bilis Kamay. Now, are you ready? Watch. Close natin dito. At i-close dito. Abracadabra. Red? Red or blue? Dito blue. Okay, tingnan natin sa blue. Oh, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wala. Ay, naku, oh. Oh, correct dito. Red. Again. Second time tayo, ha? Second time. Slowly lang. Close natin dito. Ating close dito. Abracadabra. Nasaan ang pizza? Red or blue? Okay, tama. Red. Now, may blue ba? O, tingnan mo sa mga blue, oh. Ay, naku. Okay. Now, ready tayo, ha? Ready? Yes. Okay, count 1 up to 3. Yes! Nawala! Okay, amazing! Look, ha? Sa blue? Sa blue? Okay. Now ready? Again, 1 up to 3! Oh! Yes! Nawala! Ano? Ano ba ito?
Hindi ko lang natin imagine.
Okay. Now this side, kids. I give you 5 prizes, okay? 5 or 10. Kung sino ang tama or correct dito. But you can only choose one. Only one, ha? Only one. Red or blue. Are you ready? Okay? Slowly tayo, slowly. Yan. Okay. So, kids, move si Harry Potter na dito. Okay. Saan ba sa ng teachers, ha? Anong blue? Sabi niyo rin. Ang blue? Okay. Now ready tayo, ha? Ready. Sa blue. Count 1 up to 3! Oh! Wala! Sino yan? Sa red? Sino? Sa red. Ay! Kunti na doon. Okay, again! 1 up to 3! Hala! Oops! Okay, so that's what we call the amazing pizza disappearing. Palapaka po natin. Okay na. Nawala na. What? At the back? Okay. Where? Come here. Where? Ay, naku. Okay, kids. Okay, sit down. Oh, yes. Ay, naku, ang bilis mata mga bata. Oh, kids, ang question, paano napunta ang pizza sa likod? Or how? O wala kayo, no? That's your assignment. Kids, may assignment na kayo. Now this time, the most amazing magic. Oh, simple lang, no? Okay? Again. Ang magician, bilis kamay. Wala kayo, no? Oh, this time. Kids, may laman o wala? Oh, oops. Ay, ang lakas na. Earphone, electric fan. May laman o wala? Ay, may laman wala? Oh, wala. Ano meron? Meron wala? Oh, wala? Okay. Now kids, kahit anong bagay ipasa mo dito sa loob ay mawala. Now Okay, so I have eight rounds call. Okay? Ready? Abracadabra.
Marigata.
Oops. Yes! Nawala! O, di ba? Nawala, no? What? Hay, naku! Meron wala? Hay! Oh, si Byron! Hay, naku! O, sige na, oh! Okay, sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Sit down na, kid, sit down. Oh, sige na, oh. Yan. Oh. Hi. Sit down, kid. Yes. Now this time, second time tayo. Tingnan natin. O, dito sa kabila, sa kabila. Yan. 8 ounce lang mo. Abracadabra.
Ano nangyari?
Hey kid, sit down, kid, sit down, sit down. Yes! Nawala! Di ba? Ay, ay, ikaw talaga, eh. Hay! Ang bilis mata mga bata, no? Hay! Okay, now this time, final tayo, final. Tingnan natin, ha? 8 ounce na to. Oo, sige na, sit down. Hay, ikaw talaga. Okay, final, ha? 8 ounce na to. Up